Here are 5 mega infrastructure projects in the Philippines that could help transform the country into a top tourist destination. 1. New Manila International Airport. Also known as the Bulacan International Airport, this massive project aims to replace the current Ninoy Aquino International Airport (NAIA) as the country's primary gateway. The new airport will have 4 runways, can accommodate up to 100 million passengers annually, and is expected to boost tourism and economic growth. 2. Subic-Clark Railway Project. This 70-kilometer railway will connect the Subic Bay Freeport Zone and the Clark Freeport Zone, 2 major economic hubs in Central Luzon. The project aims to reduce travel time, increase economic activity, and attract more tourists to the region. 3. Davao City Bypass Road Project. This 45-kilometer bypass road will reduce travel time and congestion in Davao City, making it easier for tourists to explore the city and surrounding areas. The project will also improve access to the city's international airport. 4. Cebu-Bohol Bridge Project. This 24-kilometer bridge will connect the islands of Cebu and Bohol, 2 popular tourist destinations in the Visayas region. The bridge will reduce travel time, increase economic activity, and make it easier for tourists to explore the region's beautiful beaches, islands, and cultural attractions. 5. Bonifacio Global City Cavite-Tagaytay Bus Rapid Transit (BRT) Project. This 48-kilometer BRT system will connect Bonifacio Global City in Metro Manila to Cavite and Tagaytay, 2 popular tourist destinations in the Calabarzon region. The project aims to reduce travel time, increase economic activity, and provide a convenient and efficient transportation option for tourists. These mega infrastructure projects will not only improve the country's transportation network but also increase economic activity, create jobs, and attract more tourists to the Philippines.